let's walk around this side and talk a little bit about your quarter windows, because I noticed that these quarter windows look really good. Most of these quarter windows are a disaster. And these days they're getting into the like $2,000 range for nice ones, right?
Especially the OEM with the Mustang and the actual quarter.
Yeah.
So these quarter windows, these are the original quarter windows with the truck, with the car.
Yep.
I did try to find quarter windows with the Mustang. I could not find it.
Yeah.
So I did not want to settle for just an aftermarket quarter. So I decided to pull the quarters out of the car, refinish all the moldings just by sanding. When you sand it, you actually get the moldings a lot thinner.
Yep.
And it actually a lot more of a nice profile in the car, where the moldings were actually a lot thicker when they're new.
Right.
So even just sanding them down made them a lot more nice profile in the car, as well as finish all the pitting and the damage just over the years.
Right. Now you, if I understand right, you sanded them, then you filled them with body filler.
That's
right.
right. That's correct.
And then you painted them.
I primed, paint, and then I did put a light coat of just a plastic dip on them.
So, I mean, there's lots of guys watching this who have terrible quarter windows, who would like to have nice quarter windows like this and don't have $2,000 a piece and 50 hours of eBay time trying to find them. Yeah. How much effort was that to do? Like, how many hours would we be talking about?
I would say I probably got 15 hours in both quarter windows. 15
hours for the two?
Yeah, I do have experience with bodywork though. So maybe that's just a little bit accelerated time. So say a normal average Joe taking his time in the garage, thorough, probably 20 hours.
So what kind of bodywork experience do you have? Are you journeyman?
I'm not a journeyman bodyman. My whole family is all bodyman.
Okay.
So that's where
so you kind of grew up in the body shop.
Yes, yeah, for
now,
sure.
suppose I'm just some dude, and I've never done body work at all. Yep. All I know is the rattle can, and I'm maybe not very good with that. Yep. Is this a project I should attempt?
I think so. As long as you pull these out, the biggest thing when you're refinishing these windows is to make sure that you put tape along the outside. Now, don't put layers of tape. Just put a layer of tape all around so you protect your glass, right? Because you're going to scratch your glass, right?
Right.
I use a palm sander because I have my own palm sander. You could do it by hand, but you're going to be a while. Palm sander obviously gets that molding thinned out a lot faster.
That's an electric palm sander?
It's an air.
Air, okay.
But you can use electric. I just have an air, 6-inch orbit, yeah.
Sure.
So that's the biggest thing. A lot of time, guys, they just leave the tape on. They just keep going. They keep going. Stop. Redo your tape constantly. That's the biggest mistake guys make redoing them. Don't renew the tape. So when you do get the nick, the tape protected it, but now you're exposed, so you need to retape it. Not put tape over top, retape it.
Retape it, okay. Yeah. And we're just talking about regular body.
Just regular masking.
Masking, body tape, yeah.
That's right.
Okay.
3M. I guess, I don't know if you want me to say an actual company, but I use 3M products. That's what I use for bodywork.
Listen, there's no paid product endorsements here, but we talk about stuff that works. So, hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell so that you won't miss out on future videos.